Partey then.
Oh, I think so. Okay, enye Blasters team no ankasa. But Ghanaians England for no mind games, I get it into us. Say me asamba na me pese me tiasie what is happening now. Ayana, I want to know the official position of Enipakwa Okanasem. And we've been in this industry for a very, very long time to know, say, in football, there are some times you make the media push a certain agenda for you. Wo on kebi. Inti mama wa example. O player A. Obeso autonomous has. Then you call your media friends to write a story. Say, Kotoko, aba player no. Ana o player A or has. Ne contract abewe opese ye extend the amount. Ba o hwa has for suban no mude ye no. Aso ma you many bisa no. You say oh Kotoko aba player no. Quickly has come in. Say oh any ebe renew na ye bibia. Now rich. All the stories say na English media no it has come from the English media keke. The English FA themselves. The Three Lions no Munasina team has not made any statement to that. And what are we responding to? You are not responding to any official position. We are only responding to a media rumor. And you don't do things like that. Senkayeka say, Anna Three Lions, or might take decisions on my they will tell us. England has said almost Roby. If they've taken a decision based on BB 1, 2, 3, they would have communicated it. But English media no. And more advanced a certain rumor. Now, maybe so. Sometimes there was a man who differentiating between a rumor and BB a bit me in actual fact. The basis. What will be the basis for the English national team to decide not to greet Partey? What will be the basis? They will not have any basis. It is not as if Partey has been found guilty of anything. And the issue of presumption of innocence in this animal, Rich, you in England for no. And there is no basis for the English national team to do what the rumors. There is no basis to it.
The only thing I bet more my answer is to play my games.
That is what I'm saying. Say, apart from Sasemu say mind games, there is nothing to it. English FA Nankasam first statement to be by. The Three Lions themselves first statement to be by, and there is no basic. There's no basis for them to even think about that. And to me, it is a calculated attempt to use the media to instigate Ghana. Now, I agree 100% with Dr. Patrick Ofori. Say a mind game so, and your mind game so, you found. But we need to also have support system strategy as a psychologist. Into your support system strategy, and say, on that day, we will make sure we put Partey in a position. Say, ono so we game he will be the first player to extend the hands from the Ghanaian players, for some pleasantries, And if so or extend it, na or more reciprocate here, the rest will also boycott it. Because which here, senior England for no dorm players on the Sahara Ghana for so you do idea. Until we must show him a certain level of support. But unim no cre and say once Partey is a human being, and no man air cost in a court case in any way, it has affected him. And it continue to affect him until say the cast nobody can convince me say since I same way by whenever you see Partey whether off and on the pitch ushena unhus asem ne hano ada onye nipa ati say ya moja woni muti say ya anti to be going to court back and forth with a rape case ya nim gwase case o look your uncle for one pa ye case na wie no you say oma anye de omo ye no but Rich, who goes sebi to have sex and it becomes public knowledge? But the man say why repeat it pakono. But why repeat it pakono just say you've had sex with the person and it is public knowledge that you've had intercourse with this person. Who does that?
Yeah, there's a family stigma.
It's not even nice. It's not even nice. Your bedroom affairs is outside there. And you're nice. Whether you rape and you rape crana, nobody wants that outside. And untina they be our own go for no so no pure from them no mobile. It is as if nothing went on in their room. By normal course, but nobody publicized that. It is sad you no crack no crown. Who have a toll on the psychology of the player. As some no wedding. And I hope say your team psychologists, will work on Thomas Partey, Babarama, those who have off the pitch issues to deal with, because you need the players to be in the right frame of mind to give you maximum.
Psychologist back. The piano nekasa.
Back na bet my adwuma ni so no mo na take camp.
Enya is well. So unko cost down. And like Ayala kano rape sabi. Ye fan yisusu say wa show baby chinchinia afano. Enya dia sabi obi a pese de be tag no kra. O makra kosku ahe o papa ne koye I mean enya is o
ye we bi mum po ha ye di asem no kra wi no still almost hadwen say chairman ye be a court no finance no na anye ye almost say ye di asem no kra ye exonerate you no every sa charges ni na still adwen be say chairman ye your sanko for no ho Reso obi da utimi di asem wi so
Entroso na insurance of 4.5 ye din komo kakra ye wi a ye beto ayen komo ya